In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Word. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. Microsoft Word has introduced Copilot AI to assist users with various writing tasks, helping you to craft documents, generate ideas, and improve the overall quality of your writing. While many people enjoy the benefits that Copilot offers, there may be times when you want to turn it off, either to focus better on your writing without distractions, or simply because you prefer to handle things manually. To get started, first, open up Microsoft Word on your device. This could be on Windows, Mac, or even in the online version. Once you have Word open, you'll want to ensure you're looking at the document where Copilot is currently active. If you see the Copilot sidebar on the right side of your screen, then you're all set to proceed. Now, let's find out how to disable that feature. If you're using Microsoft Word on Windows, look for the top menu bar. This is where you'll find various options like File, Home, Insert, and so on. Click on the File tab, which will take you to a different view. Here, you'll see a list on the left side. Find and click on Options. A new window will pop up with several categories on the left side. You want to click on the category that says General. This is where you can find many settings that control how Word operates. Scroll down a bit until you see an option that mentions Office Intelligence Services, or something similar involving AI features. Once you find this option, look for a checkbox that might say something like Enable Copilot or Use Copilot AI for assistance. It could be worded a little differently depending on the version of Word you are using, but it will generally be straightforward. Uncheck that box to turn off Copilot AI. After you've unchecked the box, make sure to click OK or Apply at the bottom of the Options window to save your changes. Now, Copilot should be disabled in your Microsoft Word application. If you're using Microsoft Word on a Mac, the process is quite similar. Start by opening Word and accessing the menu at the top of the screen. Here, instead of finding File, you'll click on Word next to the Apple logo. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you can select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the General option and click on it. You'll see similar settings to what we talked about earlier. Look for the option regarding Office Intelligence Services and uncheck the box that allows Copilot to function. Once you've done that, simply close the Preferences window and you should be all set. The next time you open a document, Copilot AI will be turned off. For those using the online version of Microsoft Word, it operates a bit differently but also allows you to disable Copilot. Open your document in Word Online and look at the toolbar at the top. Click on File, then navigate to Options. From there, you might have to explore the different settings available. Look for options related to intelligent services and similar AI functionalities. When you find the appropriate setting, make sure to disable it by unchecking any relevant boxes. Remember, if you ever change your mind and want to enable Copilot again, you can follow the same steps and simply check those boxes instead. There's really no permanent farewell to this feature, just a click away when you change your mind. So now you know how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Word. Whether it's for concentration, personal preference, or any other reason, you've got the power to manage your writing experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.